उसने सिर्फ होशियारी मारने के लिए अपना चश्मा फेंक दिया।
Dun, dun.
Hey everyone, this is a story of 5 friends who went on a trip to Kerala, and you can see all of them on the screen except me. So we started with having food in airport lounge and then we got late.
अपन 4-5 लोगों के लिए पूरी फ्लाइट रुकी हुई है।
भाई पूरा बस मिला अपन को, शर्म बेच चुके हैं।
मैं फर्स्ट को एंटर नहीं कर रही हूँ, तुम एंटर करना।
Looks like we made it to the flight right on time. It was morning, but we did reach our first destination, which was Kochi. Kerala has a very beautiful landscape with lots of greenery and beautifully built houses for people. But hey, look at these tired faces. Maybe not everyone, but most of them just waiting to reach our destination, but having fun along the way. The road to Munnar is such a scenic beauty. Everywhere you see, you'll find fog, you'll see clouds around you. It gives you that cozy holiday vacation feeling. And I was just enjoying the breeze. On our way to Munnar, we stopped at this waterfall, which was beautiful. And we actually stopped to have tea and just have a break from our long journey. And then we found this guy. He was such a cutie, yeah. And then began the endless tea plantation. This is me in my era of being a model in my dreams and doing exactly what I love. We had a very beautiful view from our balcony, as you can see, and then moving to our bedroom. This was actually the next morning. We were all set to leave for our next destination, as you can see, and between that we had a very tasty South Indian meal, as we all love South Indian food, so we ordered everything that we could in the menu.
तेरा नंबर क्या है?
Guys, क्या हुआ? Can you please tell us?
नंबर दे रहा था लेकिन ब्लॉक किया, चश्मा तोड़ दिया।
उसने सिर्फ होशियारी मारने के लिए अपना चश्मा फेंक दिया।
Dun, dun. Hi guys, I am in Alipe and there's something that you must see, which is the place that we are all staying in. This place is by the beach. Let me show it to you very quickly. So this is how we came in, and if I just come here, you can see the beach. It's right here, and this is our stay. It's cute, it's compact, but I love it. It's just by the beach. Let's go inside and see. So this is the main entrance, like you can see, obviously, matlab. And this is how we entered. So as we entered, there's this very small corridor, and this is our first room. Let me show it to you. See, so sorry, so much of luggage, but that's just how it is. Here is the washroom. Let me see, just okay, light nahi jal rahi. So light hai, but I don't know where it is. So okay, this is the room, and you want to see, wait, that is me. And if I go here, we can see how it looks and beach view. I can't tell you how happy I am to see this. You can see the beach from your bed. But that's not the best room. Let me tell you that. This is just the ground floor. I'll go up. This is quite steep, so please bear with me. Yes. So this is the first floor. And this is our room. There's a plant also which I really love. I love the concept. It's the beach again. This is room number 2. Let me show it to you properly. This is our room. There's also extra seating, so you can just sit here and see the beach. This is a better beach view, and this is my room. Very proud of it, love it. And we also have a balcony here. Let me show you. It's a small, cute balcony with a view. I didn't show you the other washroom. Let me show you this one. See? It's pretty good. Also with the beach view. Well, that's not the end of our Airbnb. Let me just go to the second floor and let me show you our, what do I say? Balcony? Chill space. This is the one. Hello. And then we have the beach. And this is the actual view from our Airbnb.
एक सेकंड बाकी आधा इधर है.
बहुत ही घटिया तरीके से अनइनवाइटेड गेस्ट. तो इसको नहीं देखते, ये देखते. दिस इज अ नाइस व्यू. हेलो. Hi guys, this is my new way of saying hello. I actually learned it from one of my friends because he keeps saying hello, hello. So अब मैं भी ऐसे करूँगी. So sorry, please ignore my hair. I just had a hair wash and I'm doing my skincare. But with the skincare, I thought let me update you with whatever is happening. एक तो मेरी स्किन इतनी ड्राई थी. I was just waiting कि मैं कब स्प्रे कर दूँ. Well, I am in Alipe. I hope I said it right. But I am in Alipe, which is in Kerala. It's a beach place and I'm a beach person and I love, love, love it. It's been so long. I don't even remember the last time I was doing this. And I don't know if this will be in the beginning of the video or somewhere in the middle. But I just thought and I wanted to do it. So here I am. This is a weekend trip and weekend getaway, so let me break it down. I primarily now live in Bangalore. So from Bangalore we came to Kochi airport and from there we went to Munnar, which was, we thought 4.5 hours, but actually took us slight more than that, somewhere 5.5 hours. But ठीक है. Early morning we took a flight, we came to Kochi और फिर कोची से हम कहाँ आए? Munnar. Yes. We came to Munnar, we spent a day and you probably would have seen that part. It's a beautiful place. Tea plantations all over and it's peaceful. But you know, let me tell you and I'll be very honest right here. I am a beach person. तो ये पहाड़ देख के I was happy but I was like कि हो गया अब. You know that feeling कि no, I've seen a lot. अब मुझे I want to be back at the beach. Anyway, this was planned कि पहले हम मुन्नार जाएंगे. We'll spend 1 day. Which we did, and now we are in Alipe where we are going to spend 2 days. Very happy, and the most happiest thing is I have a beach view from my room. So we took an Airbnb. You'll see the details somewhere in the screen. We booked a car from Safari, which we always do, and so from Munnar we came directly to Safari. Yeah, this is a better setting. वहाँ पे मुझे नीचे बैठना पड़ा, मेरे पैर दुख रहे थे. I'm very hungry क्योंकि लास्ट हमने बीच में रुक के एक जगह ब्रेकफास्ट किया था. We did not eat anything. We're just sleeping, traveling, and at this point I feel कि I'm slightly tired in the trip, but very excited. So this is just a lip oil. It's actually lip shine. If it makes sense, this is for Chambord. This is from Chambord. I really like it. It has worked for me. So I don't want to speak a lot. Rather, I want to just chill in this trip, have fun, enjoy, relax. I'm wearing these cute little earrings. I'm gonna wear these. These are from Savannah. This is stack of bracelets. Because you know, for me it's really difficult to get nice bracelets because I have really skinny hands. तो उस पे कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I've tried so many things, but I think this is pretty good. And I'm gonna top it with this, although I don't know कि कैसे पहनेंगे इसे. Yeah. Here you go. This is done. I like it. ऐसे थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है कि हाथ में कुछ है वरना. And I also want to wear this. This is एकदम ही proper beach shells वाला bracelet. I'm gonna wear this. And that's it. I don't want to do anything else apart from making my hair look better.
Right?
Here we were back at the Kochi airport because the trip had come to an end. Very sad about it. I couldn't, accept it. But well, but before we leave, it was important to settle our splitwise, and that's what these guys are doing right here. But nevertheless, we shall meet again. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed watching it. See you again.